to make homemade onion juice and ginger hair pack for hair growth and thickness. To make onion juice and ginger mask for hair growth, you need to combine the ginger and onion juice. Take both in equal proportion and mix it well. Once done, apply this mixture onto your scalp and gently massage your scalp in circular motions. Leave the oil on for about 1 hour and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For best results, you can apply this mask on alternate days. Benefits of ginger for hair growth. Ginger is a popular health and beauty remedy in both Ayurveda and homeopathy. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger make it ideal to improve scalp health, boost blood circulation, arrest hair fall and improve the overall quality of your tresses. Benefits of onion juice for hair growth. Onion juice contains sulfur, which nourishes your hair follicles and help in their regeneration. Sulfur also prevents thinning and breakage of hair. The antioxidants present in onion juice can delay hair graying. And antibacterial properties of this juice can keep your scalp healthy and help you get rid of dandruff. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.